Start organizing your kitchen like a professional chef. Perfect for pot racks and ceiling dryers. Instant storage for hanging anything in your kitchen, closet, workshop, or garage. Combines well with all hanging kitchen accessories and compatible with most hanging kitchen wall rails, including the Ikea BYGEL and Grundtal rails. The large hook end fits over any model of kitchen rail or flat bar. Each hook can hold up to 10 pounds. Hook ends are flat, not pointed, for added safety. Get your kitchen space in order using hanging storage S-hooks. It doesn't matter what sort of decor you have, these hooks look great. If you happen to already have stainless steel appliances and countertops, they will look even better, but whether your main kitchen cabinet material is wood, granite or another material, they all look great with S-hook organizers. You want something unobtrusive and stylish without having to sacrifice the sleek look of your dream kitchen. Can be used outdoors or indoors in any kind of weather conditions. Because these are stainless steel, they can be used anywhere you need them. If you want to use them in your closet, office, workshop, garage, shed or barn, you don't have to worry about rust or any other corrosion problems. Imagine being able to hang all your gardening tools and accessories in the garden shed so that you can see what you have at a glance. Imagine being able to organize your garage with these sturdy steel hooks. Sleek and stylish design will look great in your kitchen. This set is designed to beautifully complement your modern stainless steel appliances. Adding a little extra shine to your kitchen never hurts. Extremely versatile, each hook is useful for a wide range of kitchen and home applications. If you cook professionally, you understand time is money. Don't waste precious time searching through a cluttered cupboard drawer. Immerse yourself into the culinary process even more.